Producing cottonseed oil by pressing includes the following steps. Cottonseed pretreatment. Cottonseed oil prepressing and cottonseed oil pressing. The purpose of cottonseed pretreatment is to remove impurities in cottonseed, adjust the moisture, temperature, and internal structure of cottonseed so that cottonseed can reach a good state before pressing, and then improve the production efficiency of cottonseed oil. The cottonseed pretreatment equipment includes used a series of equipment such as cleaning equipment. The treated cottonseed is pressed a second time using a cottonseed oil press and a cottonseed oil press. The resulting cottonseed oil retains its natural flavor and the nutrients are not destroyed. At this point, the process of producing cottonseed oil by pressing is over. The purpose of refining cottonseed oil is to remove the digestive impurities, free fatty acids, pigments, odors, and other impurities in cottonseed oil, and to improve the stability and value of cottonseed oil. The refining process of cottonseed oil includes deguming, deacidification, decolorization,